Hi guys, today I've got this easy fishtail braided bun. To start, I've left some hair out to frame the face and we're just going to pop the hair into a low ponytail. Divide this ponytail in half and clip that right hand side out of the way for later. Now working on the left hand side, I'm going to do a simple fishtail braid. So split this left hand section in half. And I'll show you really slowly to start. I'm going to take a slice of hair from the outside of the left hand section and pass it over to join the right hand section, and then take a small slice of hair from the outside of the right hand section and pass it over to join the left hand section. So it makes a kind of cross in the middle, and you just want to pop your thumb on that cross to stop it unravelling. So I'll show you one more time. Take a small slice of hair from the left hand side, pass it over and join the right. Then take a small slice of hair from the right hand side, pass it over and join the left. And I'll just speed up the rest. All we're going to do is continue doing this braid all the way down to the end of the hair. And then just secure it off with a clear elastic band. Okay, add some texture spray to the top of the head. I'll pop the one I'm using in the description below, and then gently pinch and pull at the hair to give it some more texture. Next, taking that right hand section, I'm going to pop a clear elastic band a few inches from the bottom. Then I'm just going to use my fingers to create a hole from the top to the bottom. And we're just going to twist this section once and then bring that fishtail braid through the hole. And then twist it another time and bring the fishtail braid through to the opposite side. And we're just going to keep twisting and bringing that fishtail braid through the hole until we reach the bottom of the hair. Once you get to the bottom, all we're going to do is secure it with another clear elastic band. But make sure on the last turn of that elastic band you only bring the ends part way through to create a small loop. Now take hold of that entire section and we're just going to wrap it around the base of the ponytail, making sure that we tuck those ends underneath. Then just hold it to the nape of the neck and pin it all the way around the outside of that bun with as many bobby pins as needed. And it really is that simple. Here's the finished look. If you liked it, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials.